This is the virtual simulation that I will use later on. I will explain a little bit about a parameter and any buttons that have in this simulation. First button to hold a parameter constant, button to view container width, button to pump particles, and then button to empty the container, then button to count the number of particles, button to resize the container, and button to add or remove heat. But for this experiment, I doesn't use these buttons because the temperature is constant. First, pump 50 large particles into the container and then set the temperature as a constant. Turn on the width and adjust the width to 5 nanometer and then determine the pressure by click the button pause, and the pressure is 11.9 atm. Pump 50 small particles into the container, set the temperature as constant, then turn on the width, adjust the width to 5 nanometer, and then determine the pressure. The pressure is 11.6 atm. As you can see the result, both particles, when I increasing the volume, the pressure will decrease. Why do you think the pressure change as the volume change? It's because when the number of particles are in a smaller space, which is less volume, they collide the wall of the container more often so that the pressure increase. Pressure is forced by the area. So when I decreasing the area, the pressure will be higher. As you can see, it have difference in pressure between large and small particles. For large particles, the pressure is higher compared to the small particles. It's because large particles move more slowly, but it hit the wall of the container with greater force. Anything that increases the force, the pressure also increase.